for Salamat. Is he here? He is not here? Oh, saan? Hi, sir. Kailan ka mag-retire, sir? July 1? Next month. Kung papayag si Dick Morales, si Dick i-move out ko sa MWSS, ikaw ang ilagay ko. Baka then I will look for the next general na alam mo kasing I do not have any qualms